What's up, El Segundo? I'm Miguel DeLeo, and I'm here at the Fire Station Open House. Have you ever wondered what it looks like inside the fire truck or inside the fire station itself? Well, this is your chance to find out. So let's go check it out together.
We have here a public event. It's our open house here at Fire Station 1. This is a great event for the public to come out and kind of see what we're all about. We're open door here in El Segundo. We have all of our rigs out on display so people, the public, can come and see the types of tools that we have, the services that we can offer, because at the end of the day here in El Segundo, we love serving the city. We like having a face to the name of the guys coming in and helping those in need here in the city, and having events like this kind of bridge that gap so you guys know who is coming to those houses and who's coming to the need.
An event like this gives the community a chance to see inside the lives of our first responders when they are on the job.
We're here for 48 hours at a time, and so they can see where we live. We have beds and showers and everything, and so they get an idea of what we're doing when we're not out running emergency calls. We're just so happy to be back open and have tons of kids running around and show everybody what we do. I've been here for 19 years, so we get to know everyone, and it's great. Today is just a great day for the fire department, for the community.
We love getting to meet our local firefighters, and it's just so fun for the kids, and it's free, and so it's a win-win.
It's wonderful. You know, El Segundo is a very inclusive type of community, and I feel a special bond with the fire department because they have taken me to the hospital several times.
A crowd favorite was the stop, drop, and roll drill for the kids. All kids that participated went home with a smile and a medal.
We've been long-time residents of El Segundo, and we love these types of events that the city hosts. And obviously,
Hudson loves fire stations,
Yeah,
fire trucks.
and Henley loves it as well. She got to stop, drop, and roll with one of the firefighters over here. The city does a really great job looking out for families like us.
Congratulations on your new medal. What did you think of the experience?
It's cool. It's cool.
Residents received a tour of the fire station during the open house. But something was starting to smell really, really good outside. Here with Rick Mack. Rick, besides cooking some great hot dogs, what else is going on here today?
Actually, I'm surprised at the crowd we do have because there's also the fair going on Main Street, so we're getting quite a bit of people.
Yeah, it's a great showing. How important is these kind of events to the community, especially after the crazy couple years we had, to see everybody back together and having a good time?
Oh, it's great. We're surprised because we had our pancake breakfast as well, and that's the most people we've ever had. I think everybody just wanted to get out. So, and I think we're still at that point where everybody's just trying to get out and get some fresh air for a change.
What a great turnout and what a great event here today at the Fire Station Open House. And just like the flyer said, food, fun, and tours, we had all three. I had a blast. But that's going to do it. Reporting from Fire Station 1, I'm Miguel DeLeo. I'll see you guys next time.